LS 22 left, unit 2497.
Blue 8352, turn left heading 130.
Left 130, JetBlue 8352.
Blue 2364, maintain 170 to Vocus.
170 Vocus now, JetBlue 2364.
JetBlue 974, fly heading 350, descend to maintain 4000.
Right 350 down to 4000, JetBlue 974.
Brickyard 5824, continue left turn heading 250, intercept the localizer and maintain 210 speed. Brickyard 5824, left 250, intercept the localizer and maintain 210 knots.
50 to intercept 250, Brickyard 5824.
Brickyard 5703, contact Austin Tower 1320.
Planet A, Brickyard 5824. Brickyard 1012, 55 for 5 on the Robux.
Brickyard 1012, correction, United 1012, box approach out of.
Got 3502, 14 descending via the J Fund 22 left with.
JetBlue 8352, turn left heading 040. JetBlue 8352, turn left heading 040.
Left 040, JetBlue 8352.
Brickyard 5824, 3 miles from way, maintain 3000, so establish on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 22 left approach, and maintain 190 knots.
2000 still established, clear ILS 22, 190 till Brickyard 5824. You want JetBlue 2360 now?
Negative. JetBlue 974, turn left heading 300.
Left turn heading 300, JetBlue 974.
Skyway 2 check-in.
Hey firm, we're 12-6 on the J Fund 22 left, go to Quebec.
Skyway 3502, Boston approach, Boston altimeter 3016, expect ILS runway 22 left approach.
22 left ILS, thanks.
JetBlue 974, descend to maintain 3000, reduce speed to 190.
Float 190 knots down to 3000, JetBlue 974.
JetBlue 2364, contact Boston Tower 1220.
28 JetBlue 2364.
Blue 2460, descend and maintain 4000, 5 present heading.
Down to 4000, present heading, JetBlue 2460.
And for JetBlue 8352, with that flat failure, they're requesting 15 right for the minimal crosswind.
JetBlue 8352, standby. 974, 3 miles from Wayne, turn left heading 250, maintain 3000 till established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 22 left approach, maintain 190 knots.
190 knots, 250 on the heading, 3000 still established, third ILS 22 left, JetBlue 974.
JetBlue 8352, are you declaring an emergency? JetBlue 8352, are you declaring an emergency?
Yes, affirmative, JetBlue 8352, I'm going to need 15 right.
JetBlue 8352, red.
Boston, JetBlue 2354, 5600, descending 5000, Roebuck 322 left.
Brickyard 5824, maintain 170 to Vocus.
170 to Vocus, Brickyard 5824.
2460, reduce speed to 190.
0 JetBlue 2460.
Blue 8352, turn left heading 310, we're going to coordinate 15 right for you.
Thanks, left turn 310, JetBlue 8352.
Brickyard 5825, I didn't get the read back, 170 to Vocus, please.
Yeah, affirmative, we got it, 170 to Vocus, Brickyard 5824.
Yeah, 1012, descend maintain 3000.
Down to 3000, yeah, 1012.
Yeah, 2497, descend maintain 5000.
Send 5000, United 2497.
JetBlue 2830, that's correction 8362, we're working on 15 right now.
Okay, fuel's not an issue at the moment, JetBlue 8352, thanks. You have a expected time then?
JetBlue 8352, when able, say Seoul, and fuel remaining in minutes, but let me clear the sky first. JetBlue 2460, turn left, heading 250, intercept the localizer and reduce speed to 170.
Alright, down to 178, 250, intercept, 2 left, JetBlue 2460.
Blue 974, maintain 170 to Vocus.
170 to Vocus, JetBlue 974.
Brickyard 5824, contact Boston Tower 1320.
28 Brickyard 5824, get that.
Blue 2463 miles from Wayne, maintain 3000 till status on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 22 left approach, maintain 170 knots until Vocus.
170 Vocus, 3000 to establish, cleared ILS 22 left, JetBlue 2460.
United 1012, expect extended final for an emergency going to 15 right.
We'll expect it.
JetBlue 8352, 2 souls on board and 2 hours of fuel.
Blue 8352, turn left heading 220.
Left 220, JetBlue 8352.
2497, maintain 5000, and you can expect a long final.
United 2497, roger.
JetBlue 8352, you're ready to go in now, right?
Affirmative, JetBlue 8352.
JetBlue 2186,
11,600 descending via the J-Fun runway 22 left with Quebec.
United, Tracon, JetBlue 974, reduce your final approach speed.
Florida final, JetBlue 974, we'll go.
United 2497, reduce speed to 190.
Slow 190, United 2497.
JetBlue 2354, 5,000, roadbook 322 left.
JetBlue 2186, reduce speed to 210.
Speed 210, JetBlue 2186.
United 1012, change plans, turn left heading 270.
That was the left 270, United 1012.
United 1012, affirmative.
Left 270, 1012.
United 2497, descend to maintain 4,000, you're going in.
4,000, United 2497.
JetBlue 2354, 5,000, roadbook 322 left.
Blue 974, tower 1 to waypoint 8. JetBlue 8352, enable safe souls and fuel remaining in minutes.
2 souls on board, it's a repo flight, and 2 hours of fuel.
JetBlue 8352, thank you. United 1012, turn left heading 250.
250, United 1012.
United 2497, turn right heading 150.
150, United 2497.
502, reduce speed to 190.
190, Scouts 3502.
JetBlue 2354, reduce speed to 190.
Reduce speed 190, JetBlue 2354.
1012, 2 miles from Wayne, maintain 3,000, establish on localizer, cleared aisle, 22 left approach, maintain 190 knots.
Maintain 190, 3 till south, cleared aisle, 22 left, United 1012.
United 2497, turn right heading 180.
180 heading, United 2497.
JetBlue 8352, what's your final approach speed going to be?
140 knots, JetBlue 8352.
JetBlue 8352, roger. United 2497, turn right heading 190, intercept the localizer, and can you increase your speed to 210?
Yeah, we can pick it up to 210. We're turning right to 190 to intercept the localizer, United 2497.
2497, thank you, I appreciate that. I got an emergency coming in on 15 right, I need to get you in front of them.
We hear that.
JetBlue 2460, tower 1 to waypoint 8. United 1012, maintain 190 knots.
Maintaining 190 knots, United 1012.
Approach United 1592, 11000, descending via the J-Fun.
United 1592, Boston approach, Boston altimeter 3016, expect ILS runway 22 left approach, reduce speed now to 210.
So now 210, United 1592.
2497, report to field insight.
Insight for United 2497.
2497, front, send me out above 3,000, clear visual approach runway 22 left, maintain 210 knots until advised.
Okay, crest in DME at or above 3,000, cleared for the aisle, or visual 22 left, 210 till advised, United 2497.
28352, turn left, heading 180, intercept the runway 15 right localizer.
Left 180, join the 15 right localizer, JetBlue 8352.
United 1012, maintain 170 or greater until focus.
170 or greater till focus, United 1012.
JetBlue 8352, reduce speed to 190.
We're there, JetBlue 8352, 190 speed.
JetBlue 8352, roger 1 mile from Adams, maintain 4,000, will establish on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 15 right approach.
Alright, Ford established, cleared ILS 15 right, JetBlue 8352.
JetBlue 8352, 1 mile from Swig, I apologize, cleared ILS runway 15 right approach.
Alright, thanks, that makes more sense. Cleared ILS 15 right, JetBlue 8352.
JetBlue 2354, descend to maintain 4,000.
4,000, JetBlue 2354.
1012, Sonic Boston Tower 1 to waypoint 8.
28, United 1012.
97. Let me know how long you can hold that speed, and then I'll pull you back all the way to 170.
We can hold it to Volcus for United 2497.
2497. I tell you what, maintain 170 knots or greater until focus.
170 or greater till Volcus, United 2497.
Blue 8352, maintain 170 knots until Maldi.
170 in the Maldi, JetBlue 8352.
JetBlue 2354, turn left heading 310.
Heading 310, JetBlue 2354.
3502, going to maintain 5,000.
5,000, Scouts 3502.
So with that speed restriction, 390, 1592, we're going to be high.
1592, that's okay. Just descend and maintain 6,000.
Gotcha.
Scout 3502, descend and maintain 5,000.
Down to 5,000, Scout 3502.
2497, thanks for the help. Contact Boston Tower 12818.
288, United 2497, good night.
Scout 3502, turn right, heading 130.
Right, 130, Scout 3502.
2186, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, Jet Blue 2186.
Jet Blue 2354, turn left, heading 250, intercept the localizer.
250, I'm heading intercept the T2 left localizer, Jet Blue 20.
JetBlue 2354, 4 miles from Noli, maintain 4,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS, left approach, maintain 190 knots.
4,000 until established, clear for the ILS, T2 left, T1 after master.
JetBlue 8352, maintain 170 to Maldi, please.
170 Maldi, Jet Blue 8352.
Scout 3502, turn right, heading 190, intercept the localizer.
190, Delta localizer, Scout 3502.
Good evening, approach JetBlue 452, 5,000.
JetBlue 8352, contact Boston Tower 134.05.
3405, Jet Blue 8352, thanks for your help.
Scout 3502, 7 miles from Noli, maintain 4,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 22 left approach, maintain 190 knots.
190 knots, 4,000 until established, clear for the ILS 22 left, Scout 3502.
452, roger. United 1592, descend and maintain 4,000.
Okay, down to 4,000 at 1592.
JetBlue 452, we're still 210 speed assigned. Did you want us to keep it at 210?
JetBlue 452, you can pick it up if you want, but no slower, please.
Alright, we'll pick it up. JetBlue 452.
2186, turn right, heading 130.
Heading 130, JetBlue 2186.
Medium Boston, flight 357 with you, 040 heading 210 speed.
Flight 357, Boston approach, order. JetBlue 2186, confirm 190 speed.
No, we're doing 210, JetBlue 2186.
JetBlue 2186, roger, reduce speed to 190 zone.
Speed 190, JetBlue 2186.
JetBlue 452, are you rejoining the row left?
We are.
JetBlue 2186, 4 miles from Noli, turn right, heading 190, maintain 4,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 22 left approach, maintain 190 knots.
190 knots, heading 190, and join localizer, 22 left, JetBlue 2186.
JetBlue 2354, maintain 170 to Vocus.
170 to Vocus, JetBlue 2354.
Sorry, JetBlue 2186, confirm last 4,000 cleared ILS, 22 left approach.
JetBlue 2186, affirmative 4,000 established, cleared ILS, runway 22 left approach, maintain 190 knots.
Cleared ILS, 22 left, 4 till established, 190 knots.